Hi team, let's take a look at project management in Pipeline CRM. This is the first in a series of videos covering this feature. We'll also have videos on navigating your project views, working inside the project profile page, creating and managing templates. So if you're an admin setting this up for your team, make sure to check those out as well. If you've been managing post-sales work somewhere else, like a spreadsheet, a separate tool, or even your inbox, project management brings all of that into your CRM. Client onboarding, service delivery, construction phases, whatever comes after the deal closes, you can track it right here. Here's a scenario. You've just closed a deal and now your team needs to onboard that client. There are phases, there's tasks, there's multiple people involved, and maybe that's spread across a few different places. Project management lets you track all of that and lets you link it directly back to the deal, the company, and the people that are already in your CRM. So let's walk through how it works. Projects have 3 levels. Think of it like a folder structure. At the top, you have the project. Inside the project, you have milestones, which are the phases of your work. And inside each milestone, you have tasks. These are the individual items that need to get done to move these forward. Let's go back to projects. To create a project, you can click Add New, and a new project form will pop up. Give your project a name, or you can leave it empty for it to auto-generate for you. In this case, let's create one called POS Onboarding. We're going to give it our own custom color. You can see the one existing has a green color. I am going to make this one a blue. Giving it its own color just keeps it easy to identify. We'll hit Apply Color. If you've already got a template set up, you can select one here to pre-populate your milestones and tasks. I'll show you how to edit existing samples and create your own in the template video for you admins. Just know you don't have to use a template. You can build out milestones and tasks on the fly. So in this case, we'll just choose one called Client Onboarding. You can choose different owners. I'll give this one to Don Johnson. Add a status, open, give it a start date and an end date. This one we will start on the 8th. We will let it go 30 days till June 8th. You can add a description if you'd like. And then here you can link the deals, the people, and the companies to this project. Let's find Jane Smith. So you purge, perfect. And link company, she's with Clockworks. To add additional milestones, go ahead and click Add Milestone here. And you can fill that in, start date and an end date. Go ahead and click Save. So you've got your projects created. You can view them in a few different ways. Via this timeline that we're showing now, you can see your milestones. If I look at kickoff, I can see the tasks that are under the milestone kickoff, and I can click them as completed from here. Same here in setup and configuration. You can see the tasks associated with that milestone. You can view it in a list view form. You can view it in your Kanban form. You can see your milestones here, and you can filter by project name. Right now it's any, but if you wanted to get specific, you would just type your project name in there. You can save these lists just as you would a normal list view. Tasks, you can also filter by the different projects and the different milestones. Now let's head to the project profile page. This is where you can add collaborators. If I just click View, it'll take me to the actual project page where you can see the milestones and the tasks here. Again, you can mark those tasks complete from here. This is where you can add collaborators. This is internal team members or external guests. So the external guests get read-only access, so they can view the project and leave notes, but they can't edit milestones. So you can add collaborators. You can choose from existing users here. You can add specific teams, or you can add a new user here. Grow users have 2 read-only access, so you would add that name. pop-in read-only access. Those users, again, can leave notes or activities and view the project. They cannot edit milestones or tasks. Before you roll this out to your team, take a few minutes in Settings, Projects, to customize your milestone status and build out some templates. Be sure to head over to the how-to videos for more project management content, including a deeper dive into the templates and status. Finally, if you were using old milestone features for companies, these have already been migrated into the new projects module. Nothing will be lost. Project management is available on the Grow plan, and you'll need an admin or owner permissions to configure templates and statuses. Thanks so much.